This is Yusuf. Today my topic are traveling and building. First of all, I would like to thank Fazli Rabbi sir to give me a chance to say something about my topics. I am fond of traveling. I'm used to traveling in different places like Cox's Bazar and Sylhet. Last time I visited Cox's Bazar, which is the largest sea beach in the world. I went there with my family. I'm used to traveling with my family and friends, but I prefer friends to travel because I find them I find them friendly and enjoyable. When I travel, I try to know different culture and new things about something because it refresh our thoughts and mind.